Hello guys, this is Ronit from MathX, and today we're going to be solving the number 20 from the AMC at 2023. Now in this problem, it seems a bit confusing at first because of the way it's organized, but I assure you that there's nothing to be worried about in this problem. It's just a bit of simple tricks and a bit of simple math. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Two integers are inserted into the list of 3, 3, 8, 11, 28 to double its range. The mode and median remain unchanged. What is the maximum possible sum of the two additional numbers? And the answer choices here are 56, 57, 58, 60, and 61. But we won't be needing those. So, some stuff that we can realize here is that the integers that are inserted into the list to double its range would have to be inserted into two locations that is not in the middle. So basically, one number would have to be put in the left of 8 and one number would have to be put in the right of 8, so the median would have to stay the same. And another thing that we know here is that the mode would have to still be 3. So we know it can't be 8, 11, or 28. But we do know one thing for sure, and that is that the range is going to double. So some stuff that we have to do here is that we have to find out first what is the maximum number that will be to the left of 8 so that the range would be double. So one thing that we can know right now is what is our current range. So we can pretty simply just do this. 28 minus 3 is equal to 25. And that was pretty easy. Because honestly, that is very easy. It's very easy to compute a range. You just take the largest number minus the smallest number. And that would be 25. But in our case, to get the largest sum of these two additional numbers, we'll have to leave 3 the same. Otherwise, the larger scale number, which will be a number that we'll be adding, would have to be a bit smaller. So for our purposes, we'll have to keep 3 the smallest number in this set. But since we know that the range will be doubling, so this range of 25 will go on to become 50. So that means the number that would be added to 3 to get the largest number there would be 53. So let's just take a look at our current set right now. 3, 3, 8, 11, 28, and 53. So here our median has been a bit shifted because 8 is no longer the middle. Right now, the number is going to be in the middle of 8 and 11, which we can't be having. So we'll have to put a number on the left of 8. But what's the largest number that we can put on the left of 8 so we can maximize our sum here? Okay, so this is pretty easy. We just have to find the largest number less than 8, which is going to be 1 less than 8, and that's just 7. So let's just write that out here. 3, 3, 7, 8, 11, 28, 53. And these two numbers of 7 and 53 would sum up to 60, which is our answer choice D. So as you can see here, we didn't spend that much time solving this problem, and it was pretty easy. We in fact did not waste any time, and this solution could have been summed even further down. But this is pretty much our basic solution, and this shows our clear work and thinking in the problem. Anyways, as you can see, we've solved this problem, meaning we are now officially finished.